Hello there, Bristol Stewart here, authority site nomad.com. In today's video we're going to be looking at using Handbrake to make your videos 100% web ready. It's a piece of software that you can download for free, and we'll have a system that we can follow through this mind map, or we have a system that we can follow through a PDF. So what I'll do is we'll bring up the PDF as well. So this is the PDF using Handbrake. It's about 14 pages, and we can use the PDF or the mind map to download whatever is easy for you. So download X mind map software free by clicking this icon here. Click here, this text, and download Handbrake mind map system, which is the mind map, which is this. You can download that by clicking here, and that will download the mind map. So we have the PDF that we can go through as a guide as well, and the mind map as a guide. So this is a table of contents in the PDF, and so you can follow through all that. And what is Handbrake? A little bit of information there. Handbrake is and Handbrake isn't, some more information there. So this is the steps. So to download Handbrake, we can use this icon here as well for Windows, and we can use that one for Mac. Now that's for downloading the software, and remember back here we had the link for downloading as well down to there. So we'll go down to page to the setup section, and we'll just have a little run through because I've downloaded, and we'll just go through a process. So following along, so we got the mind map. So up at top here I have the little icon for Handbrake software there. So we click on that, and a window should pop up. So our window pops up, and we can make it bigger. There we go, we can make that bigger. So we can navigate through to what's our next. So follow along the settings. What's next? It says here you can read a bit about like that. Is used by a number of successful internet marketing video producers online, including myself. And here's the settings. So we go to the source. So Desta, you can read through that, but I'll just go and do that process now. So I'm going to go and find the video. So we go to source, and we go to video file, this little icon here, and we click on that. And what I'm doing is I've got some podcasting videos that I've downloaded from a podcasting section, and they're FLV videos, and I'm wishing to make them 100% web ready and turning them into an MP4 format. So then I can upload them as well onto my YouTube channel and my membership site and use them, because they're free videos from this particular person, and we can use them as podcasting, about the podcasting topic. So we'll click on that one because those first two are done, and we've got an FLV. So we click on that, and we'll open it up into our Handbrake software. So that was the first thing we've done, and now we want a destination file. Now we need to go and put it somewhere. So here it's going to authority site nomad, which I don't want it to do because it's defaulting to that. So I click on browse, and what I'll do is I'll go to main folders, and I'll go to my folder section where my podcasting is, and learn how to podcast, and here's the videos there. So I'm putting it into that folder, learn how to podcast. This is where I'm letting it land, in that folder. And I go down to the bottom. I'll leave the heading the same because it's got a 1 on it, so that means it's been changed into MP4. So I'll have two lots there with the same title, but a 1 on it on the end of it will be the MP4. So I click the save button, and we've done that process. So let's go back to our PDF or mind map. So there's a mind map. Here are the steps: download, install, settings to use. So click on the source icon. We've done that. Put it in our destination folder. We've done that. So we go to our output settings. Okay, we'll go to our output settings. So there's on the mind map, and we'll wrestle up So we've done that, and we're going to our output files. So here's some graphic and image on here, so it'll tell us what the next stage is. So we'll bring the Handbrake up. So output container MP4, there's only two defaults to MP4 anyway, so just make sure. And we go along to web optimized, and we want to put a tick in there, check that so it's web optimized, and we don't worry about these other things. So we've done that. So we go back to our PDF and have a look. So we know the next thing we need to do is the tabs in the video. So we go video, tabs. Okay, so follow through like that, and it says it needs to be H.264 codec. So we'll go to our video tab, we'll go back here, open that up, and we'll click on the tabs here on the video. So we click on there, it's at H.264, so that defaults to that, so it's not too much effort to go to follow along with that. So we'll go back to our PDF. We'll go back to our PDF. So we've done that section. Now on the right side it's got a quality little heading. So click the bitrate radio button and type the value of 600 into the box. And there's a bit more information over here. And now tick the 2-pass encoding under that. So we've got to put the 600 in the box and the 2-pass encoding. And in the mind map, it will say that as well. Tab video, right side quality, and that information is in there as well. So we go back, we'll get a hurry on here and go back here, and we're in the right side under quality. We click this radio button here, and it comes up as a default of 1500, so put in there 600 and tick the 2-pass encoding. Don't worry about what all this means. This is just follow along with this and everything will be honky-dory. Okay, so we've done the video, so what's next? Be the audio next, but we'll go back to our PDF. So we've done that. So the tab, we go to the audio tab, and what we're going to do is find the 160 drop down arrow and change the bitrate to 128. So that's in our audio section. So we go back to our Handbrake software. So we click on the audio tab. So not much to do in here, we just find the 160, click on that, click on the 128, and that is set. The bitrate is set at 128. Don't worry again what it is, just do what it says. Okay, so moving right along, and we've done the audio. And what's next? We go to the advanced tab, and it'll come up with a frame like that, and the encoding section, reference frames, drop down arrow, select 4, see in there, and the B frames, drop down arrow, select 2. So we'll go back and do that. So we go to there, go to our software, click on our advanced tab, referenced is 2 and B frames is 4. Seeing we got 2 operations, we better check to make sure we haven't forgotten and we know what we're doing. See, it's 4 and 2. Okay, see how you got to check 4 and reference frame on B frames is 2. So that's it. Now we go back to our mind map. So we've done our advanced tabs and encoding, and we press the all start. We'll close that up. Okay, and we'll go to find our PDF. All done. Now click on the start icon at the top, and then the bar down the bottom will start moving along. So what we'll do is we'll go and do that. So this is much faster when you're not recording or anything like that. So we click on the start icon up the top here, and we wait down the bottom here. You see down the bottom, just bring that up so you can see it. Whoops, going back full, but down the bottom here it's going along, and that's what will happen is it'll do all that. And we'll just go back to the PDF again, Where's the PDF? Rightio. Don't miss any of these instructions to get your video 100% web online ready. So the progress bar is going along, and now it's completed. Your video is if your video is large, it can take a while. So your video is now 100% web ready for you upload online to wherever you choose. So I want to thank you very much for watching this particular video about Handbrake, installing Handbrake and configuring some settings in Handbrake to make your videos 100% web ready when you upload them to any video hosting company, and so you can get good results from people viewing your videos. So I have a membership site here called Authority Site Nomad Members. So it's about creating WordPress authority sites using the WordPress platform. And the Facebook here is click here for the Authority Site Facebook page, and the YouTube channel, one YouTube channel of mine, which is Authority Site YouTube, is clicking on there. So that's the end of the PDF. So we go back to the start of the PDF, and by doing that, just click on there, and we're still going. So we'll just wait till I'll just give you I won't pause the video. In normal cases we could pause the video and then come back when it's then it's going to do a little second stage in a sec, and what's going to happen, it's finished, must have finished, and we'll go back and have a look at Handbrake Learn How to Podcast. Here it is here. Now this is a folder what we've set it to land in. So here it is, it's number 3 video, and equipment options how to podcast 1. So that's your MP4 and this FLV format video. And now it's turned into MP4. Now you can go to your YouTube channel and upload that to or any other hosting company like your Amazon S3 or anything like that. So what I'd like to do now is thank you very much, and what we'll do is close the video now, and maybe we could catch you in another video sometime at a later date on some other piece of software. So it's Bruce D. Stewart here from AuthoritySiteNomad.com signing off for now, and catch you later. Bye.